To our guest speaker, who will be introduced later. To our valued stakeholders, partners, and most especially to the very reason why we are gathered here today, our dearest awardees. Di ba kanina ba yung awardees? Welcome and thank you for being with us in meaningful celebration. Today is a very special milestone as we celebrate the third year of the Pagkilala Awards here in Cuartero. Looking back, I never thought I'd be standing here as a project director this year. On our first year, allow me to share, on our first year, way back 2023, it was pandemic, I was a part of a project team member. I still remember Dr. Risa May Untayaw, sabihin si Mac, a proud Agdahon, a native of Agdahon, and also a state university teacher, tapped me for this program. Ang ano sa concert team, grabe sa programa para sa Cuartero. Ang bagong ang sa event, tubuhan sa mga. Nasasayayos ako with that, G ako. And I didn't think twice. Because I knew it was for the good of our community. The first year wasn't easy. With limited resources, but what kept us going is the faith and the spirit of the Bayanihan. And of course, I'm very grateful for the support of our LGU and the organizations that this made it happen. In our second year, the challenge became more personal. From working from home, I had to start reporting back to office in Manila. So I even told Dr. Risa I might not be able to attend the second year of Pagkilala because of work. But my heart reminded me of the people I started this journey with. The people who share the same goals and vision for the Cuartero. So I asked for the exemption and extend my work from home setup here sa atong Banwa. And the company granted my request last year. And now, here we are in our third year. This time, I accepted the challenge of becoming a project director. It has not been an easy road, but every year, seeing the smiles of our awardees, the pride.
Your hard work, perseverance, and enthusiasm for learning are truly inspiring. As I call your name, please come forward to receive your award. Danielle Janine Faith D. of Agdahon Elementary School. Coach Evelyn B. Bermudo. Palomar P. May of Acabugao Elementary School. Coach Starward Arroyo. Celes Dixon Shane T. of Agnaga Elementary School. Coach Sir Jonathan A. Valedor. Palumpong Ethan C. of Angol Elementary School. Coach, Ma'am Myra P. Naho. Rediel Yuri Karin of Biton Elementary School. Coach, Ma'am Armenda R. Aligado. Moreta Saidi Ken M. of Bunod Elementary School. Coach, Ma'am Jeriel C. Mayo. Sumayan Jonaid L. of Maindang National High School. Advisor, Ma'am Rena Joyce H. Anabo.